What do you think? Saving some for them? Alright, you give them some. Oh, you want this little lid off? Okay. It's not a big enough lid. Oh, look who she picked out. Are you going to take them both? I'm going to go for both of them.
Twins. These Wilder with twins.
You want me to help you with this one? Okay, come on, sweetheart. Coco would like to see you now. Okay. You got them both. That's really interesting. Yeah. Okay.
Look sharp
Oh,
out
dear. The consultations on flanges. I can do it. Can't keep track of those. They didn't get them in, and then they didn't call, so I'm not sure what happened. I ordered them. They didn't. You love that little kitty. You're being difficult for Coco. There you go. That was the first time. You can introduce the baby to the owl. This is the owl.
The owl and the
This is a blue
pussycat.
lizard. Look, a blue lizard. You like it? Yeah, I like the blue lizard. Okay, this is egg baby. This is egg baby. She wants the toys off. I'm going to show her the cake. Yes. She's showing how to eat fake cake. Look. Yeah, the kitty can have some. Nice. Uh-huh. Able to go under the hydraulic. Coco, wait. Coco, wait. Nope,
The
nope,
kitty
nope,
will
nope,
move.
nope. The kitty will get scraped off.
Yeah, look at her. She went
She's
down
going
just the
down
perfect
just the right
amount.
amount.